lovelies, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video, you guys, honestly, I decided to just try and match this top I'm wearing. Literally, that's what I wanted to do, and the look came out so friggin' beautiful for you guys. I'm calling this the end of summer vibe, but I'm calling this the end of summer makeup look, okay? And I felt like it was just the perfect vibe. Everything just came out so flawless. So I hope you guys like what you see, and if you like what you see, then keep on watching. So you guys, I'm going to be playing with a black owned makeup palette, and it's called Playing in Makeup by YOLONDO, JAMROCK Limitations, and then also the JAMROCK palette. This is how they both look. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was always seeing like on the internet that this shadow is pigmented, and I did not know that it was this pigmented. Like, that is crazy. So, I feel like I did play with these colors before, but I don't know. There's something that just gravitates me to like blue and orange. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So now I'm going to be going in with the No Limitations palette, and I'm going to be grabbing, what should I grab, guys? I'm going to be grabbing Becky. And I'm going to put that like right in the middle of my eyelids. So guys, I'm going in with something new. Shout out to, let me just go check it out real quick. Shout out to Savannah Sylver channel, because she be lit, she be my energy. But yes, so I went to go purchase this MAC Pro Longwear Pink Pot. This was purchased because of my smile lines. Like, you guys always see the wrinkles and the cracks in my smile lines, and I hate it. Like, you guys know I just don't like that. I just don't like that. So she puts this on, and it literally blurs out the lines. But she gets it in a Painterly. I went there, and I believe that Painterly was way too light for me. So I'm going to be trying out Laying Low, and I'm going to see how Laying Low works for me. I'm looking a little crazy. I look like a joke right now. But I'm going to use my beauty blender and just kind of press it in like she does it. But I'm gonna go back in with this foundation again, the Juvia's Place Angola. I'm really loving the coverage of this foundation. Like, I just love the coverage so much. But I'm gonna mix it in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in Chocolate. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Forward Concealer in Honey 415. This is a bomb full coverage concealer, you guys. I love it, and it's cheap. Very cheap. I'm loving how everything's just looking together, but I don't know, for some reason, you guys, I'm still feeling for a bright under eye. Like, I don't know, because I'm going in with some light powder today, so I think I'm gonna add a bit some Juvia's Place concealer in number 12. You guys can keep it like this if you want, like, it's up to you, but I'm feeling for a bright under eye today. Okay, so you guys, I just got one of my quotes onto my watch. I got so many quotes. So I got 2 quotes on my watch. I just want to let you guys know what it says. So the first one is, my mood improves when I exercise, which is true. Every time I work out, you guys, I get like this whole energy, this whole like amazing feeling. Exercising is the best way to go. And then the second quote of the day was, I do not need to rely on others' judgment for acceptance. Yes. I'm that person where I don't care what anybody got to say about me. I don't even care what I do. I'm just myself when I go outside. Like, I'm just that happy, energetic person. Like, I'm so carefree. Sorry, my thing's dying. I'm so carefree. Like, I just never care. People's judgment or anything doesn't affect me at all. Like, literally, I'm just so carefree. Like, if you care about what people say about you, then cut that out. You know what I'm saying? Cut, snap, like, forget them. Do you and do what makes you happy. I feel like this look is looking good without the harsh contour. You guys already know how I am with those harsh contours, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my eyes with the Revolution's Luxury Powder in Banana, and that's how it looks. That's banana, and I'm just gonna quickly, you know, powder up underneath my eye, my nose, you guys know. Baby, baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. I'm always loving the 3 lashes. There's some girl on Instagram who adds them all the time. Let me see if I can find her. I know she's a Nigerian makeup artist, but she's so bomb, and now she has me like so in love with like bottom lashes. Let me see if I can find her. Oh, here we go. T Dolls Makeovers. Like, Y'all, look at her work. Like, she makes me... That's, like, on my face right there. Like, she's so bomb. Like, shout out to her. Like, oh, she's so talented. Like, you talented, girl. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just loving the 3 lashes. So, she has me doing, like, 3 lashes all the time. Because that is my type of face right there. Okay. I was feeling for a dewy look. But forget that. Like... Obviously, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place the Sahara Blush Palette Volume 1. I'm just going to go in with Lila as a highlight. This look is looking so freaking cute though. Right at the Cupid's bow. I'm going with some Sasha Buttercup and just chisel out my sides. This is giving us a look. Okay, I think I know what I said I wanted to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my with my Wet n Wild Cold. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay, so my tongue gets stuck all the time, so that's just how I am. So I want to go in with the Wet n Wild Cold Liner in Summer Brown. So I cannot live without my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. Like, this is my favorite lip gloss. You guys need to go grab. Like, it's just so bomb. I just bought my second purchase today. So... Madeline, and with the NYX Butter Gloss, it just smells so freaking good. Okay, so we are not done yet, okay? I feel like adding a bit of some orange to like the middle of my lips. So this is my first time trying to like play with some color in a shadow or in a palette. So let's see how this goes. But this is already looking real cute. You know what? I should have grabbed a lot. Oh, that's pretty. That... Ooh, that is pretty. What? Ooh, hey, child, let me just take a breather. This is a whole end the summer look type of vibe I'm giving, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Continuing Setting Spray. I want to spray the face. I can't resist. Lightly. Wow. I don't know what to like. What? Like what? Like, I always look at the beat. The beat is phenomenal. Okay, hold on. I guys look at the eyes. Like, wow. Like, I'm literally so proud of myself that I could cry. I could literally cry right now. Okay, I'm gonna put on some quick earrings on and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys, so that is the end of this video. Like, what do you guys think about this look? I feel like this look just gives me like just gives us like the perfect end of summer vibes. Like, literally, like, I'm loving the whole beat. I hope you guys are loving what we have done today. So if you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you all. Mwah.